Dogs, do you play Zooba? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited resources in Zooba in 2024 without jailbreaking your phone. So, yeah, you don't have to do that, and you don't have to use a computer, any goofy stuff. So, anyway, guys, go onto this site right here. Let me just type it in. So, this is the website, guys, where you can get this Zooba hack. It's a really cool site, and you're going to notice, like, lots of apps and stuff, but just type in Zooba, press on it, and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But I've already installed the Zooba mod, so I don't have to do it again. But if you go to the App Store and just like type Zooba, as you can see, it's really expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is so crazy. Like, look how much it costs. So yeah, I mean, what is that for? It doesn't even say how many gems you get. But I know that it is not a lot. So, I mean, I have a pretty decent amount, I would say, and I'm not paying for them. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys, because it's super cool. And this is a totally updated video, guys. So if this video does work for you guys, then definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. It's totally working and everything. So peace out, guys. This is a really unique opportunity for you guys. So if you're poor in Zooba and you've been like on the hunt for a mod, then please, guys, just take heed and watch this video, and it might save your life, because as you can see, I have like 7,500 diamonds. I think that's more than most players have. I'm not trying to be like cool or anything, but hey, I mean, I'm richer. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. It's totally working and everything. So peace out, guys. This is a really unique opportunity for you guys, so try it out, because I'm sure you haven't come across a tutorial like this one.